Today we're going to give you a powerful biohack that's going to enhance every relationship in your life.
I'm Carl.
And I'm Adam. We're Clear Impact Biohacking for Beginners. We help you calm your mind,
Increase your cognitive and physical energy,
and live with more vitality.
Subscribe to our channel for more impactful and easy to implement biohacks. In the Western culture, from a very early age, we are taught the importance of independence. But did you know there's actually potentially some negative health implications from that?
Yeah, it's like almost right from that young age we're put into a crib and told to get sleep and deal with it ourselves. I remember when I suffered with anxiety and depression many years ago. I suffered in silence. I felt weak if I was to talk to anybody else about that.
And beyond that, human interaction and closeness actually gives us some health benefits. Studies have shown that it can increase longevity, boost your immune system, and fight disease.
Yeah, and you just feel happier. You feel it when you're with other people that you actually want to be with. It just gives you that feeling of happiness.
So let's explore, where does that come from? Well, if you look back to where we evolved from, we are pack animals, just like a pod of orcas, a gaggle of geese, a murder of crows. We're meant to live together in community and supportively.
Yeah.
And what's that quote?
Yeah. It takes a village to raise a family or raise a child. We've heard that before, for sure.
So what's happened to us as a society? We're taught independence. The Western world, the competitive world, capitalism says you've got to accomplish, right?
Yeah. And a very individual focus.
Right. And so this whole industrialized world drives us that way. Yeah. And over the last 7, 8, 10 years with the advent of smartphones, it's just given us this new addiction that just has pulled us away from each other.
Yeah. As much as we think we're getting connected online, we're actually being pulled farther and farther away from community.
Right.
So,
we're sitting in basements playing video games instead of going out. We're texting each other instead of talking on the phone.
Yeah.
And when you get out there in society, you see people constantly sitting on the steps at lunchtime and everybody's got their heads down on their phone.
Yeah. And we all know it. We've all been in scenarios now where we walk around, whether it's a restaurant or maybe you're on a platform waiting for a subway where everyone's just glued to their phone. And it has some real damaging impacts for our biology, let alone the emotional connection. There's this real deep level of loneliness right now that's happening because of this. The rise of pharmaceutical medication for depression and anxiety. These are all occurring because of our disconnect from human connection with each other.
Right. Just looking each other in the eye, smiling at each other, having a hug, a physical connection. Those things are very powerful for our bodies and for our physiologies.
Awesome. So a Clear Impact, we want to give you guys a biohack that's actually going to allow you to reconnect to your human connection.
Right. Really simple hack. Clear Impact, we want our biohacks to be simple, easy to implement. What's the biohack this week, Adam?
So today we're going to be focusing on the phone, and in relation to when you are out with your friends, your family members, this might be one that's going to challenge you a little bit, but it's easy. You just got to try it once or twice. And that is to actually just put your phone away and don't bring it out, or don't even take it in with you. If you go to a restaurant, if you go into your parents' house or your friend's house, leave the phone in the car. The whole idea is to just eliminate any contact with that phone when you're in the presence with somebody else. Right. Now, you're going to notice that they might still be on their phones, but that's the time when you just calm that down, because there tends to be that urgency of, hey, you're on your phone, I'm going to pick up my phone now. But that's what we want you to avoid.
Right. You see it all the time in restaurants and bars. Oh, look, there's a group of 4 people. No one's looking at each other. No one's talking to each other. They've all got their heads down on their phone.
Right. So the key here is to really engage with the impact biologically, right? That's the whole idea of a biohack. You're hacking into your biology, speeding up a result. So when you put your phone away, the idea is to then be present with everybody around you, and really just kind of be connected to your heart and give them, that love, that connected love, the reason why you want to be there with them, as opposed to on your phone, disconnected from that relationship.
Right. All right, your Clear Impact challenge for the week. Put your phone away at least once a day for a social situation. So going out to a restaurant, going to visit your mom, put your phone away. And when you're done at the end of the week, share the results with us. We want to know how that made you feel.
And we love hearing from you, the community. So if you have a very powerful way that you connect on a human level, let us know what it is in the comments.
Right. And thanks for watching. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, subscribe now for more easy to implement and impactful biohacks.
And if you know somebody who can benefit from this powerful biohack, share it with them as well.
We're Clear Impact. We help you calm your mind,
increase cognitive and physical energy,
and live life with more vitality.
Oh yeah.